So here are all my toys I plan on playing with. Got my Beavercraft little hatchet, my Leshy from Josh from Fair Woodland Blades, York knife, Valkyrie. I got these tiger trim. Eddie Mac said they're really good. I never used them before, so this will be the first time using these. I got some fire dragon gel, which hopefully still works. My meth stove, and the stove itself from Forest Fundamentals. So the way I have it set up is just loosen the toggles a little bit. Take off this one, which that's my, let me just put that back on. That's my little frying pan. So then you have a water, and then on the back of it, meth fuel, and then you take this out. And then on the bag itself, it just has my ferro rod and spoons and stuff, but this is the main thing we're looking for here. So this was under the lid on top, so I took that out. This was underneath the bottom, which is my fire kit. We're going to do a meth stove first. Again, this is just testing everything out because I never used this and I don't want to bring this out if something fails. So this is the Forest Fundamentals bottle. We're just testing today out, we're not going to need a lot. Close that back up. So this go in there, and it's easy to reach. It's not too deep or anything. Not a lot, just enough to test this out. So, if I remember correctly, it's the higher ones. Oh, the wind's picking up a little bit. All right, so I'm just gonna get that past that notch on there. Let's just see if this fits. Yep, that'll be fine. There we go. It's pretty solid. So we'll just see how long this takes to boil. Here we are. Got a boil. Easy to take off. No dramas. Let's see, what time is it? So about 9 minutes. So happy with that. So that's the meth stove part of it done. Just do a little bit. Okay. So these ones we'll put a little bit lower. Put them there and there. And then we'll take this, fold the handles in, put it there. And that's still pretty secure. It's not shaking or anything. So what we're looking at here is that the stove on the lower one is a good height for the meth fuel, solid fuel. So that would work out really well. So you got that one for solid fuel, that one for your stove, and then nothing for your fire. So fire one I'll probably put up here or on top. So I'm just gonna use one of these. Like I said, I never used them before. This is from Tiger Tim. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to see if it lights with a ferro rod and then try to throw it in this little pile there. Do I put this on first, you think? I'll leave it for a couple minutes. Alright, so let's see if this lights with a ferro rod. Hopefully it does. Oh. If you like this ferro rod, this is the Forest Fundamentals ferro rod. There we go. So at least we know that works with that. So happy with that. So once you get it going, there's a front hole here where you can feed it through. There. So I would just take this cross beam and put it, where is it? Oop. There and there. And then there and there. Put that on top. And then that will heat up. Push. Definitely got a lot of air vents in that. Air vents all the way around it. So you're going to get a nice burn. I like this one mainly because I can do a fire in a woodland and not scar the ground or have so many ashes on the ground. Starting to boil already. Not going to go nuts because you guys know what it is. You just feed it from the front. I don't want to go through all my wood. And a handy bit is this little bit of leather here, which I bought also. I can use it to grab the pot handles off and not burn my hands, which also fits in the kit, so you always have it. So that was Forest Fundamentals nesting stove. Let me know what you think in the comments section. It worked very, very well for everything I did. So I'm happy to bring that in the woods with me and use it confidently. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think. There's also links in the description box below if you're interested in Forest Fundamentals stove or any of their other items. Everything's in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video.